packaged drinks. Zari takes Lily to a new boba tea shop after school.
Lily, look at all these flavors. Mango, strawberry, coconut, passion fruit.
They all look the same to me.
You have no joy in your heart.
I know. Can we just order?
Okay, I'm getting the strawberry paradise, and you're getting the coconut one.
I don't want coconut. It's too tropical and sweet.
Just trust me, Lily.
Zari orders both drinks. They sit down and take their first sips at the same time.
So, do you like it?
It's fine. I don't care about boba.
Lily keeps drinking. Zari takes another sip and makes a confused face.
Wait, why does mine taste like coconut?
Maybe because we're at a boba shop that... sells coconut?
No, Lily. I ordered strawberry. This is definitely coconut.
Zari grabs Lily's cup and reads the label.
Lily, this says strawberry paradise. They switched our drinks.
Oh no, that's terrible.
Give me my drink back.
Sorry, I already drank half of it. We can't switch now. That's unsanitary.
You said you didn't even care about boba.
I don't, but I'm very thirsty.